Thank you, Noel. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Kumusta po kayo lahat? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Okay.
Okay, so this is our favorite Jim Brickman Christmas song.
Salamat po sa lahat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. One more?
Isa pa daw, Noel. I heard, Noel, medyo busy ka na yun, no? I heard you've been working on yung album mo, no? So, kailan ba yung lalabas?
Taga. Paki-repeat, but slow down yung Tagalog.
Sorry. Okay. Balita ko na may bagong album ka.
Yes, opo.
Kailan mo yan lalabas?
It will come out next year, around Valentine's.
Valentine's. So, tama-tama. Pwede siya maging Valentine's gift sa mga sweethearts ninyo, diba?
Yes, everyone should buy a copy. And the title is called Amazing.
Okay, amazing. At saka, anong mga kanta dyan? May mga covers pa or may mga originals?
It's a halo-halo. There are some covers and there are some originals.
Okay, okay. Sige. I'm sure we're all very excited to hear that, no?
Yes, and it's under Viva Records, so look out for that next February.
Okay,
Yun.
tama-tama sa Valentine's na, diba?
Yes. So let's do another favorite Jo Marie Chan song.
Jo Marie is one of my favorite artists, no? In
Yes,
fact, I think, Noel, you played with Jo Marie last Sunday sa Skydome SM, no?
Yeah, last Friday, the SM Sky Dome with Claire de la Fuentes also for their Simply Unforgettable concert.
Okay.
And we actually performed this exact duet that we're gonna do now.
Okay, I hope na everybody will like this duet, just for everybody. From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart. You are my first, and you are my last, and I'm willing to take a chance that till life is through, I'll still be loving you. Okay.